Hello, my name is Fernando, and today I will talk about how to ask for help in research. First, you need to identify the problem. You need to clarify what questions you have before you reach out, and also you need to determine if your clarification is quick or this is a more in-depth discussion. Secondly, you need to identify who you have to reach out. Some resources are professors and advisors. This will be for in-depth discussions, more theoretical explanations, and more specific feedback that you need. Also, peers and colleagues are definitely a good resource for quick questions, sharing resources, or even solving problems in a collaborative fashion. Librarians of the school are good for assistance with finding online resources, literature, and learning about citation management. Lastly, but not least, online forums and communities are a great resource for a much broader perspective and even when looking for more specific expertise. 3, you need to create an appropriate request. You need to be specific and concise about what you're looking for and provide context so that that person knows why you're reaching out. Lastly, you want to suggest or imply that you want to have a meeting or a call with that person, definitely if it's a more complex issue, so that you can have a line of communication with this person. Lastly, you want to follow up politely within 1 week. If you do not receive a response or the person is not available to help you, consider reaching out to someone else. Please feel free to pause this video to read this email template that I've attached. In general, the yellow highlighted areas are the parts that you would tailor specific to your questions, but this is a great example of how you can reach out to a professor or any other resource for help.